Courtyard white hat. Villagers are hot. Big steaming bowl of meat. The person at the front table smiled and took the bowl. Chopsticks are not delicately placed, only one bowl of rice and one bowl of vegetables. That hit nothing. The curiosity of netizens. Where is the bottom unique? The custom answer is very warm. This is the banquet and attention of we rural areas. Pompous banquet. The seats are different, there are no repeated meals here. Furniture and etiquette large bowl with dishes. The heart sits around again and adds food by itself. Pickle vegetables rub sharing and reunion into every bite. Every bowl of hot dishes and the taste is. The owner's mind is hidden in every spoonful of rice, dear friend. The blessing of simple hospitality makes family love hometown. Love becomes. Extremely lively feasts are more lively during festivals. The collision of bowls and chopsticks is mixed with laughter, and someone is chatting. People often tease children. Mistakes become a bond. Scattered concerns are tightly remembered together. This is not a luxury. Banquet is the truest we people. The expression of sincerity is retained with a simple taste. The strongest love such a banquet hides the purest. The warmth of the essence also makes us understand. Hospitality and family love engraved in the bones.